no racetrack, no helmets, no burnouts. Mercedes-Benz launched its newest performance car, courtside. The game at center court, the car parked at the edge of it.
We're at the courtside in Delhi, and this is where Mercedes-Benz India is pairing its roaring AMG performance lineup with the explosive rise of paddle tennis in India.
What does a car maker want with a racket spot?
I think it's more of a strategic tie-up. As a brand, we are always looking at what can we do for increasing customer experiences. One trend we also saw is fast sports, high active sports, short duration. And with Mercedes Trophy Golf, we are appealing to a large set of audience. But then paddle picking up, we said this is the right time to collaborate. And in fact, customers of this car get direct access to the India Paddle Tour Open as well.
Paddle is one of the fastest growing sports in Earth, and Mercedes is title partner tournaments across 2 seasons. Courtside, the real reason everyone's here. The Mercedes-AMG E53 hybrid. Under the bonnet, a 3-litre 6-cylinder turbo petrol paired with an electric motor. Together, 585 horsepower or 612 with race start. And unlike any AMG before it, this one can also run more than 100 kilometers on electricity alone.
The hybrid is a very good bridge because it offers best of both worlds. And of course, it's expensive technology because you have battery, powertrain and combustion engine. And that's the reason we are introducing that in top-end cars. We are also going all in on EVs. So it's not an option for us. I think globally we have 40 plus product launches happening. Most of them are EVs. Most of them will make its way to India.
Mercedes calls this being powertrain agnostic. Petrol, diesel, electric and now plug-in hybrid.
For us, it is not either or. We will not be dictated by policies, not dictated by OEM constraints. We will be dictated by what the customer wants. Do I play paddle? I don't, but I intend to play because there's one court which has come very close to my home, so I thought I should jump it.
So paddle worldwide is the fastest growing sport in the world right now. So, I mean, it wasn't very difficult to get Indians hooked to it as well.